Hello, and welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to create bar graph in Word. Whether you're working on a report, a project, or a presentation, adding a bar graph can make your data more visually appealing and easier to understand. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. This is where you'll find various options to add elements to your document, including charts, tables, and images. Step 2. In the Illustrations group, click on the Chart button. This will open a dialog box where you can choose different types of charts to insert. Step 3. In the Insert Chart dialog box, click on the Bar tab. This section contains various bar graph styles that you can choose from. Step 4. Select the Clustered Bar option or any other desired bar chart style. The clustered bar chart is one of the most commonly used styles for comparing values across different categories. Step 5. Click on the OK button. Word will now insert the selected chart into your document. Step 6. In the spreadsheet that appears, replace the default data with your own information. The spreadsheet functions like an Excel table, allowing you to input your data in the relevant columns and rows. Step 7. Close the spreadsheet after entering the data. Your chart will automatically update to reflect the new information. Step 8. Click on a blank space inside the chart. This will allow you to access formatting and customization options. Step 9. Click on the Layout Options icon on the right. This icon looks like a small square with a layout indicator and provides various positioning choices. Step 10. Choose the desired layout option, such as Tight, under With Text Wrapping. This setting allows you to position the chart freely within the document. Step 11. Ensure the option Move with Text is checked. This ensures that the chart stays aligned with your content as you make changes to the document. Step 12. Drag the chart in any direction to reposition it. Click and hold the chart, then move it to your preferred location. Step 13. Click on any corner of the chart. This allows you to resize the graph if needed. Step 14. Drag the corner handle in any direction to resize it as needed. Adjust the size to fit your document layout and make the graph easily readable. Step 15. Click on the default chart title text. This will allow you to rename the chart according to your data or subject matter. And that's it. You now know how to create and customize a bar graph in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.